Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash. We're back. We're doing some more surface cleaner maintenance. We've got a couple Whisper Wash Classics, and we've got a Mighty M that are all the same size. So I want to look at a couple things. We're taking this bar off. I'm going to put some new tips in it, but a couple of things just looking over this. See how this one is nowhere near and as deep as that one is. That's a problem. Come over to the other side. Look, the left one's not in as deep as the right one. One, you want them to be the same distance, plain and simple, just for consistent cleaning. And if you were to have one screwed in further than the other, then you would need to make sure that they're symmetrical on both sides. This is for 8 gallon a minute. They're all 2502s, which is spec to get your maximum PSI, maximum flow on 8 gallons a minute. I don't feel like I get that, and I also run into a lot of issues where the 2502s will get clogged. I'm going to just make sure if any of these are clogged. Alright, so, did a little blow test. Those two are great. This one is good. This one is clogged. And so that will quickly turn over and cause issues. If this one is not unclogged, it's going to, now you've got, one jet versus two. This thing's going to shake like crazy. If you're having issues with cleaning stripes, it's vibrating, it doesn't seem to be doing right, the first thing you're going to do is flip it over, you put your foot on there, and then pull the trigger. And look at it. It'd be really, really obvious. Look, there's two sprays right here. There's one spray here, and then there's nothing. There might be a little bit of water just shooting kind of straight out of there. But this one definitely, it's clogged. We'll take that out, get the debris out of there. Obviously it's a little bit more difficult to work on it when it's still on the surface cleaner, but we took it apart. We're going to put it back together. And then what we're going to do is I'm actually going to bring both bars. We've got a big driveway that we're going to clean. So I'm just trying to make some more videos on that. I am going to switch all of these to be, I'm probably going to do one of these things will be two 25035s. And then, four, two on each end. And then the other one I'm going to do 2555 or 055 on the ends, and then do just a plug in the middle. Just to show you, I really like, and when you look at, so here's a 55 tip versus a 35 tip. You can see the difference there. Focus. Hole size is much, much bigger. So this with the 2555 is going to be very resilient to having clogged tips. The 25035, certainly it's much bigger than the 2502. Let's see, we got 2503s down here. I think I had a 2502 sitting somewhere around here, but either way, bigger holes allows more flow. You should have an inline filter to reduce any blockages anyways, but bigger hole, more flow. And also the 25055, I mean, that technically would be for 11 gallons a minute. The 35s would be up to 14 gallons a minute. My goal with the surface cleaners is to bypass as little water as possible to maximize the flow and to get as much cleaning power as we can out of it. It's always worked well for us. Our machines are 8 gallon a minute, 3,500 PSI. So if it drops it down to 2,500 PSI or to 2,000 PSI, but I'm getting every last bit of water through it, I'll take that every day.